Which letter in this diagram represents the non-polar section of the membrane? Each letter in the image above represents a different part of the cell membrane. So the question is asking which part is the hydrophobic or non-polar part. The answer here is H. You can see that it's pointing to the tails of the phospholipid bilayer, which are non-polar. Which letter represents a peripheral membrane protein? In this image, the purple structures here are going to represent the membrane proteins. So the question here is really asking which one of these is peripheral? And the answer is F. Any protein that doesn't span the whole membrane is a peripheral protein. Next question, which letter represents cholesterol? Remember, cholesterol is a steroid, which means it has a 4-carbon ring, and that means letter D represents cholesterol. Which letter represents the polar head of a phospholipid? Specifically, just one polar head. The answer here is E. It's pointing to this little circle here, which is the polar head of a phospholipid. And the last question, what does A, B, and C represent? We're talking about the whole structure. This whole structure represents a glycoprotein, the purple part being the protein and the green part being the carbohydrate or the glyco part of the glycoprotein.